IKEA has so many new products this year, and today we are going through some of the best finds for spring 2022. Hello YouTube fam, my name is Man and today we're going through some of the best new at IKEA finds for spring 2022. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that like button real quick. It takes just 1 second for you and it helps my small channel a lot. You can also check out part 1 and part 2. However, I packed my absolute favorite products in this video, so let's get started. We are starting off with their new Pendant Light. This airy lampshade looks so stylish and so sleek. It's definitely on trend this year. It comes in this gorgeous black color, however you can absolutely spray paint it into any color you like since it's made out of metal. I just love how the bulb sits in this lampshade. It's so gorgeous and minimal and sleek, and I bet it looks even cooler when you turn it on since the light will spread through the metal wires. It also comes in a smaller version for only 18 bucks. I just love it. Now, I've mentioned some of the new pillow covers for this year in my last video, however, today I got more. These new pillow covers give me those spring vibes. And the best thing is that they are handmade. I just had to share them. This first one is an artistic design with handmade embroidered details. Look at those colors. Also this one, which is super cute with the sew-on flowers and button closure. I love button closures. And of course, each piece is unique and handmade. Another design from this same collection is this pure cotton cover with stripes, embroidered stitching, and again this cool button closure. Pillow covers are such an easy way to swap the vibe and give a fresh new look to your space for only a few dollars, so definitely check this out. Now this next new at IKEA product just blew my mind. It's this Parisian style gold color frame mirror with vintage ornaments. Let me just say that if I saw this anywhere, I would have never guessed it's IKEA. This mirror is so stylish, so pretty, and looks so high-end and expensive. IKEA just stepped it out with this one. And the best part is that the ornaments can be easily removed and put back as you please, which is absolutely amazing and so smart since it gives you two different looks to just one mirror. Either way, this mirror is a real eye catcher and I'm definitely getting one for my home. It also comes in a full-length version, which I love, and they both come at a decent price point. Let's be honest, mirrors can be a bit pricey, especially when they look this good. So again, IKEA, you stepped it out. Next on my list is this smaller version of the lag table. This table comes at only $7.99 and it's honestly such a smart solution for small spaces. This simple table can be used as a side table at the end of the couch, or you can keep it underneath your coffee table for some extra storage or extra space when you have guests over, or you can even use it as a nightstand. There are so many options. I'm even thinking of doing an IKEA flip for this one. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see a flip. I just honestly can't wait to get it. Now, I think you'll agree with me when I say that IKEA has so many affordable decorations that look so clean and high-end. A perfect example are these new vases that are actually limited edition. This set of 2 tinted glass vases will make any table extra inviting and elegant. I mean, this is such a timeless design, especially with the tinted glass, which obviously has its comeback. This would look amazing on a dining table, on a coffee table, console table. They look so pretty in this light brown color. I just love them. The next new at IKEA item I want to share is this cute book display with storage. This book display has 2 open shelves and a spacious drawer for storing books or magazines or anything you can think of. Now, even though this is obviously made for kids' room, I can totally see it in a craft room or a home office underneath the desk. I just love the design. Now, when we talk about small spaces, especially entryways and small offices, we just have to mention vertical storage. That being said, IKEA has some pretty cool memo boards, and this new one from the spring collection is by far my absolute favorite. I honestly have never seen a design like this. It's so genius. I love these arch slots and hooks. They make it simple to refresh your view with something new every day, like postcards, notes, photos, even sunglasses and keys if you place it in your entryway. It's such a unique display and it looks like art even when it's emptied out. Next product is this gorgeous dark gray chair. This dining chair is made out of this soft and flexible rope that makes it look so high-end. The rope really adds personality to the chair and it makes it durable for outdoors too, which is so cool. And even though this chair is probably meant for backyards or patios, I can totally see it at a dining table or even as a home office chair. It looks pretty comfy and super stylish in this rich dark gray, almost black color. I just love it. I really feel like IKEA has changed so much through the years. They definitely followed the recent design trends, and I absolutely love that about IKEA, since they're still making affordable and practical pieces that look so high-end, yet they can stay in your home for years to come. Proof of that is this new sofa collection. This sofa looks so compact and comfy. It's perfect for small spaces and it honestly looks like it's straight out of a fancy furniture store. And the best part is that this sofa is actually made out of this durable material with a smooth weave and a nice two-tone effect. I could totally see this piece of furniture in my home. It's so sleek and minimalistic, with soft shapes, modern expressions, and this durable light material. Really cool piece. I recommend you to check it out, especially if you're in the market for an affordable sofa. And again, IKEA, you are leveling up. And we love it. Another really trendy piece from the new IKEA collection is this cane table lamp. This one's $23.99 with the LED bulb included, which is a real catch. I really like this lamp. I would love to use it as a decoration on a shelf or on a bedside table. I feel like it will just warm up any space, making it super cozy, adding playful shadows through the small holes of the cane webbing, and with those black metal legs, it totally gives me those Japandi vibes. Another super cool piece that's new at IKEA is this Chic acrylic mirror. This mirror shimmers in various colors. It gives me those 90s, early 2000 vibes. You can also place it on a table or on a shelf or hang it on a wall and use the lower frame as a shelf for small items such as sunglasses, lipsticks, any sort of makeup, keys. It's honestly such a fun item. Now this next item is something else, but I really wanted to share it with you. It's these transparent plastic wine glasses that absolutely look like they're made from real glass. They're actually made out of durable plastic that won't break easily and can be used over and over again. I'm so into picnics and camping, and these glasses are just perfect for both. They also come in handy if you're having any sort of party but don't really want to use your expensive glasses but still want to keep it fancy. These honestly look so real and so cute. And I'm a bit disappointed that they are not real glass, because if there were, I'd be ordering a set of 12 by now. And the last item I want to share from the new IKEA spring collection are these transparent black storage boxes. There are a few different sizes in this series and they are great for storing anything on your shelves. Even with the lid on, you can easily find what you need since the plastic is transparent. They are also stackable, which is so practical when it comes to storing anything. I'm totally seeing these boxes on my shelf in my home office, storing cables, notes, pencils, gadgets, even camera equipment. Stylish, sleek, minimal, and most important of all, super practical. And that wraps it out for today. I really hope you like this new IKEA product. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Mine was definitely the vintage style gold mirror. I just can't get over it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. And I'll see you designers next week. Bye!